By looking at the sun and the clouds, I can tell it's approximately 3:51 on Tuesday. We're here, 5 of us, 17-year-old girls, camping, survival mode.
As you can guess, this is the poop hole. Our feces will go there, and we'll sleep over there.
Shelby's cutting some fish. Oh, there's our dinner. Get it.
Cheyenne just caught a fish. It's our first bass of the night.
It's 6:45. I'm hungry. We all are. We haven't ate all day. We've been fishing for hours. Can't seem to catch a lot. And what we do, there's not enough meat on. The group's already decided if we don't have enough food, we're gonna be eating Shelby. Here she comes. Oh, hey, Shelby. They left 4 fishing poles unattended. I'm gonna go check on them. No luck. No luck. I don't trust that one with the purple headband. I don't trust her.
Hello, it's me again. I wanted you all to see a real life case of a mountain lion attack. Oh God, it's coming. Okay, we gotta run, we gotta run. See, I'm telling you, you gotta be careful, stupid crap like this. Run. How to fillet a fish. Step 1.
Go.
No, hold him back.
Oh.
Oh, he's licking me. He has a freaking tongue. I felt it. Step 2. Oh, what do you do?
Okay, tell us what it is.
That's what you get for messing around with me. Come on, Aaron.
Samurai.
This is hilarious. Can I do it in just a second?
I can't get it.
Aaron,
Watch out! Watch out! Watch out!
Pucker up and kiss him.
Oh!
Hi. What's your name?
That was horrible. Gosh, this is scary. I'm pretty sure Kelsey and Shelby are trying to kill us, starve us. They're not cutting the fish right. They're getting this much.
Here, I'll show you.
We're definitely gonna die. This isn't good.
Really? Dude, that looks good. Wow.
I'm freaking gonna pig out.
Try a piece of it.
Try a piece?
So, like this.
Oh my, yeah! Oh my God!
Get it off the camera.
Keep filming. Oh my gosh, it's
Stop.
Your pee-wad.
This is my pea wad that we sat on fire. This is our way of disposing the toilet paper.
I'll get it.
Hey, that's mine. Oh my gosh, it's almost gone. Hey, Mom, this is for you. So I'm lost and I don't know where everybody's at. But I'm looking everywhere. And I've been like looking for them for like 2 hours now and I don't know where else to look.
It's really late and all of my friends have the craziest look in their eyes, and I'm really scared for my life. We're really hungry. I'm really hungry. I think I might kill Hannah because she's playing the guitar. And she looks kind of meaty. She might be good.
I just like burnt myself really bad on my hand. Like, people are like, I don't know, tonight's just, it's been really emotional, and like, people are changing. Like, I can't really explain it. Like, something's happening, and like they're like pushing me in the fire and stuff, and like, I just don't understand why and how people take like surviving in the wilderness and like nature, people just take it as a joke. Because turn the light off. It's not a joke. Anyways, that's what I'm talking about. They don't get it. I want to show others how to be better and how to survive. And when you're just messing around, taking it as a joke, it hurts. It really, I'm not, I don't understand how people can take this out here as a joke, because, I don't know, it's, okay, well, I'm gonna go back. Be wise.
So we were really scared of the coyotes because there's a big pack of them close by. We keep hearing them. And we have a pile of fresh fish. So we're kind of scared. So we're making a big fire to keep them away. I want more.
All right, it's came that time of night where we're about to do our magic and hex the people we hate. Maybe their hair will fall off. Maybe they'll drop their tray. Who knows? Here it goes.
Kinzer Tomac.
I hex Jay Wilson.
I hex Miss Moo Moo.
I hex Sally Susan.
Like suffering.
It's morning time, almost getting close. It's been a great experience. The girls have been fun to be around. We went fishing a little earlier. We were hungry for a midnight snack, and I had a bite, but we didn't really catch much. But overall, it's a really good time, and I hope we do this again sometime.
It's 5 in the morning, and we're still not asleep. We have the sleepy sillies. We have the sleepy sillies.
We don't have sleepy sillies.
And I hate Hannah.
That was my eyeball! Get the camera off of me. Get the camera!